Tanga tenga chamba tanga chamba chai. Tanga tenga mapinso apa.
Open.
Saka urikona. Bricks, tina Keffatan.
Yes,
yes, sir.
Keffatan,
big original Keffatan.
Yes, sir. Big up, are we man? Pagoda pe, paseka indi. Panitika zvakawanda.
Original Tan.
Keffatan. Taurire my projects.
Yeah, my projects, as you know, as usual, Eduma musical project says that can go be at the Chihota. As they saw, I'm just working in the studio. We've been
Lion
shooting up my videos.
Castle.
Last week,
man.
I shot my video. Plana Mutare, Tikatri Muchubu foot per weekend. Tikaita my live, the dance hall.
Good dread.
I got 3 Lion, 1 Castle.
Dread, Joshua, dread in a hat.
Yes, sir.
But I know what had happened. Vakaita person. You see, tradition. You know, Odaro. Tishiona. Kubvira edu makare vanhu vachinzi kana paitika nhamo vanozobviswa tuvhutsi asi ipapo
ayo hatino business chaka kumwe
ndeyekuti ipapo nguva yacho nezvinhu zvacho ipapo zvaida kuti ndive sei ndichishevha asi hazoreve kuti handisi rasi still rasi ina hati
boso rakaenda
boso richiripo no Silverstone Foundation distakataka kuisa ana Dean Fraser zabva kuna Dean Fraser nanhazvimwe hazvipo zvekusanganisa reggae music tichirova chiboso ndizvo ataita nanhasi ndizvo atiri kuita asi ngoti ezvinesoda chimboconcentrata nemarecordings
the bricks.
Yes, we saw that album H2, second album. You know the Inner Fusion. After the first album, you know the Africa Calling.
Sizila akauya makamone.
Yeah, Sizila akauya ndakakwanisa kuenda kunoona live show yake one ku
baby
HICC.
Yo baby. Mira akati kupina video. Baby uyakuno ka.
Uyamgaba baby.
Baby.
Okay.
Yeah, Saka, yes, so we're still working on more projects that we still have to do. Right now, Inner Fusion album, it's a fusion album. It's Afro-centric, but also I've got an album right? You know, Africa Calling. Nduna cover right? Yes, I.
Don't friend cover.
Africa Calling.
Free Africa. Missing you.
Yes, sir.
Country of Stone. World of War. Evil Africa Bwera.
Okay.
Ndakufara.
It's in 8 matrix. Dini Keffatan pasho apa dini looks ah. Disanda gera looks. Do we are apa kuseri kwasho kune the Africa Calling. Africa Calling is a peace, love and unity promotion project, right? we're promoting peace, love, and unity among us.
That's my flyer.
We promote peace, love, and unity. So this is the Africa project that I is the first project. But this is Keffatan there, and a second project, National Inner Fusion, that will be soon on the television and the radio. But this Africa calling already to take up Torowa. This album, radio station like Tantine Africa Day, Yakatorowa, the Trevor, all the Angari Piper station. So I this project on that. So working on more projects. So we'll be played all the time, and also to Wedzera shows, to my shows, my promotional shows, and shooting on the video that will test out maybe by next week or so. In English, say but yadi. Do you want to catch a silver stone? This original
guns
project. And as we still have to carry on because we have set Rastafari.
10 minutes ago. Original guns of the silver stone. Alongside Keffatan.
That's
Tina Taliban.
Yes, I Taliban.
Yes, Rastaman Taliban. Putin man. Taliban are busy. Yeah. Fashion.
Yes,
I'm busy with the fashion. And with them girls too.
That's right.
In the corner.
That's right. That's right. I know Kona ndedu ende tinoto fara nekuto
ona chimoko cha
vai muri kwe papa muta
shamwa 2 bars chikundazi shamwa Ndekundazi
Mr. Keffatan.
Oh nayo pindura katarisa uku sapurire matunda what time is up
unza wani ngini Mr. Keffatan taura it is control one
anakuya but anyway Majaredu. That's right. But this we're proud to be what we are, and we have to carry on because it's a mission. Yes, you see, it's not a competition; it's a mission. And long time we Tiripo, as a ghetto youths, Mbare youths, we still represent Tomiri Rashi, Mbare, and spread up the message among us. Tiripano per second, Mbare, Silverstone, Pano, this. Selector, big up. Yes, I am. Chap selector, top foundation. Yes, I am. One and only. In that ghetto. Tell them. Anyway, we big you up and we love you and still more fire. Big up. Keffatan. Yes, sir.
Rambo, come. Go here.
Kuchestera kuti ukange
Tapiwa
Tuto akanuza kuti impostori
Tapiwa
ari kupedzesa rasa pamamboisa mandikine mumboleya kamathini
rasa iva mawe
uya continuation
pane nyaya dzawandisa pana apa
all right.
Pani yeza wani tarasa man.
Big up all ghetto youths. Ghetto murambe tendere mberi the music as far as reggae music, all African music without maybe no selection of one party. Reggae music is the foundation because you know sumudzira maghetto youths. You know it maghetto youths kwase kuona life. You know to fight for our rights. So we still have to keep on. And we need to pattern is together. Together is ghetto youths and as black people and the international. And big up yourself and they say all people coming from all around the world. To promote Rastafarianism because remember Selassie, right? Remember Selassie, he's the king of kings and lord of lords, conquer the line tribes of Judah. He's the one who seated and who ruled the whole world and the whole universe. So every knee shall go. So we have to give thanks and praise to the Most High for guidance and protection and ask him for his hands to be upon us so that Jesus said progress and big up the ghetto and big up all the ghetto and move forward. Big up Minox, big up Jet B, big up all the selectors and a big up our Rastaman and all sound Stereo One and all the sound and sound. But you can buy more love. Yeah.
Mr. Keffatan.
Alright.
Mnema album mangani.
Yes, so album that Tuma album.
Yes, my album.
But today I'm with my and I eat and I'm with my I'm with my songs, my tracks, and I fish one of my different artists.
Okay, apa in the first album yenye Murehwa.
Yeah, it's a compilation album after but imesha ndakaita it's a 8-track yes and yes but ndindaka composer ndindaka arranger the music ndindaka ita most of everything played some instruments some of most of the instruments although we've been working on a Trevor Wall like on this project Trevor Wall he played the drums Lawrence 3 Wise made a keyboard Jack Hughes akaridza guitar and Tendai Tekia akaridza bass percussion Trevor Wall Saka we still because I remember I played most of my instruments but also I'm working with different artists which makes us carry on to fulfill my projects and we're still working on more unity projects.
Mr. Keffatan. Pane ma shows Murehwa man green. My live shows.
My live show to Peter na Trevor Wall crucial mix and also we can anyway bend that cassette nonzi a mystic agitation. There's a mystic band here in the ghetto, but it's a mystic agitation working in history. That's where we're doing some results.
Pascal Mwemurata non the Quincy bana. Mr. Quincy. It's not going on.
This is it. We're still working on more projects for peace and initiatives.
Okay. But Murumba Buddha out of Harare. Right now, even though the situation is like this in Zim, at now Kuda, but out of Harare, but not out of Zimbabwe. Out of Harare, they. Like we've been shooting some shows and we've been playing shows. Rusape, Mutarude, Kadoma, Bulawayo, and Gweja, and most of the places we just playing shows, even in the city. So we're doing more that we would like to do more. So those Zimbabwe situation is a little bit tight, but we don't worry about the tightness because this will always stand predominant
ndisu tiri madhonza eharare dzisineshi dhonza harare yacho iyoyo vanhu vachiti harare iri kunetsa because inotonetsa because kana usiri dhonza you can't live in harare because things they kind of hectic no fun but saka unofanira kuve tiri madhonza saka isusu vamwe vakatiza vakaenda vakabuda but isusu we still standing predominant defending the country
mune mchiverera mastadiums kana maclubs
stadiums, clubs and all over where we can perform still where every kind of mumba there's in the dance hall but what we want is just to entertain and
sorry my recordings mukuita mega
my recording tikuita Metro Studio Metro Studio yes neso tikuita Metro Studio yes neso vari design a contract for 5 years saka ndikufunga inini kuti 5 years contract working with them is it real possible but ndikuona kuti I really have to think about it and because it's a big world saka paying up for the studio and everything, paying the artist, session artist and setting up the bands. Yeah.
Yes, I Metro Studios, ndino vetanga kutengesera manhamba.
Ndizakutaura kuti iwo vada kuti ndo vanotengesa market national international but I don't really know is it really true. You know, is it really true for me kuti ndite say ndizise mavari ezveso or I have to find my way.
But so far ndo vakakurekodera album yako iyi.
Yeah, ndinorecorda because it's professional studio. I'm working with a professional studio. It's not digital. It's a manual, professional. Yeah. One of the best in Zimbabwe.
Metro Studio.
Yes, sir. Metro in Masasa there.
There's
a big man there, but I know there's one uncle of mine. His name is Keffatan. Keffatan is the engineer. I have been working with big bands, and he's also an artist. So I've been working with him for a long time, but I'm just trying to find my way.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Rasta.
Quincy.
Big up our ghetto, you sir, Rasta man. Yes, sir. I ghetto Mbare there, Lucas. We love Mbare and we always be proud with it, and we have to uplift it to the highest level because everything comes from Yadi, from Mbare. Go to the Zimdancehall, go to my artists all over Zim, my footballers, Badman, and all them. They say, so we respect Mbare to the max. So we always defend it, you know. Yes, I. Rasta man.
Tapiwa matiko nenyaya Tudu. Hanzi na Tudu wakamuti ampostori. Wakati Tudu ampostori, Tudu vazo yakuno. Batanga utitengera beer. Ajita tapiwa nyeba.
Yakandita ampostori.
Kozonga itaura wachiti Tudu ndo wakatanga kumisa tatange kuita smoke.
Slackness. Akuti nini ndikumbira mabhebha ake ndini ndakamchestera lead.
Not pasine ode pasine ode.
That's not kanga lead. That's not kanga lead.
Not yango zia.
Ndakamchestera lead. Dani akati si pasina mbona kanga lead.
Alright. Iri bota piwa. Iri bota piwa. Azangari vijaziri kana ngati.
Vanopisa munhu.
Ayo, amaoda ngokubata kuti mawenzi.